This is a bearing in the rear differential. Now, a lot of these, the manufacturer suggests that they have a lifetime oil change interval, meaning you don't need to change the oil in them for a lifetime. Well, what's a lifetime? These particular bearings, the lifetime was not too long. Our suggestion is always a fresh fill of good synthetic lubrication can keep these things rolling a lot smoother over time. This is directly a result of fluid contamination. Because the oil did not get changed soon enough in its life, the contaminants rolling around in there ruined the hard surfacing of all of these rollers, and then they no longer want to roll under pressure, and they will start to pit and take the hard surfacing off. So this is an expensive operation, and changing the oil in these things at 60, 70, even 80,000 kilometer intervals is much more economical.